Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this best LinkedIn automation tools called Expandi. So here's a breakdown. Expandi is a cloud-based LinkedIn automation platform built to help marketers, sales teams, and recruiters scale outreach without running scripts on your computer. It lets you run smart multi-step campaigns that include visit, connection request, personalized follow-up, and even A and B messaging variant, all while managing limit to stay with LinkedIn rules. With analytics, dynamic personalization, and safety automation logic, Expandi make it easy to grow leads and conversation on autopilot. That said, LinkedIn automation always carries some risk, so you still need to set realistic daily limits and craft thoughtful message to avoid flag or restriction on your account. Some users also find advanced features need a bit of learning before you get the most out of them. So overall, the Expandi stand out as one of the best LinkedIn automation tools for scaling outreach in a way that's smart, compliant, but success still depends on strategy, the pacing, not just the automation alone. So you have to do more work and more research in order to bring out the best out of this platform for your account. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.